Spooky World. We got a new trampoline.
Vincent, do the first front flip ever on it. First front flip ever. Do trampoline. Oh, nailed it.
I passed the land.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, you landed.
Good job. Hey guys, do you know what happened today? Papa brought it a bird because it didn't have it a mommy.
So this is the bird.
We need to know what kind of bird it is.
We're trying to find out what kind of bird it is. So if anybody knows, try and let us know. That would be really cool.
Our email's down in the description.
Our email's in the description below.
And we're going to be going to PetMart to find this thing a cage.
We're gonna get him a little cage, some better bird food, so we can try and take care of him, and hopefully he's a tough one and survives and gets big and strong, right?
Yay!
All right, so
What do we name it?
We named it Seaweed.
Seaweed. All right, so let's try and get Seaweed nice and comfortable. But yeah, he's pretty cool so far. This is his digs right now. He's got some water, he's got some bird seed, he's eating it. And he pooped one time, so that's good. To PetSmart we go. Hey!
And there's a coronavirus going on.
Yeah, we got the coronavirus going on, so we gotta wear our masks. Right, Vincent?
See ya at PetSmart.
Actually, say see you in the car.
See ya in the car.
All right, guys, so we've made it to...
PetSmart!
Yep. So we're gonna look around for some stuff for our little bird friend.
But first, we need to put on our mask.
What are we doing, guys?
We got a bird.
You got a bird?
We found a bird today.
Found a bird. All right, what kind of bird?
Oh, we don't know. We found it, and this little guy right there.
Oh, hi.
Gonna go get the bird stuff for the little bitty bitty bird.
It's a baby bird.
Which one? What is it? Oh, this stuff? Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotta get that. Get it, Chelsea. Throw it in there. Yeah. We're not trying to break the bank. This looks like a perfect house. It's got a hole. It's got an area. It's got a stick. Looks good. Getting it. We also got to give this guy a place to sit. So that looks like a great thing. I got one in my hand. Let's get it. Oh, I dropped it. I'll get another one. Put it in there. Boom. Got it. Listen up, little bird guy. We're going to try and make you a nice little comfy little bird. So stick with us, pal. We got you a nice cool little mirror thing too. Yay. All right, we got everything. Yeah? Okay. Where's Vincent? Oh, Jesus. Power sliding crazy. Let's go make this bird a house. All right, well, we got all our stuff, and we got the bird still, so that's a good sign. Vince's got the bag of stuff. Let's go home and put it all together. Hey guys, so we just got home and put together the birdhouse, the makeshift birdhouse. And how's it looking, Vincent? Oh, it looks super good. He's sitting on his food.
Pooped in it.
And he literally just pooped in it. Well, there you go. He's gonna hang out in there and hopefully he likes it. We're gonna shut that. Maybe we should get a little thing to put in front of here so he doesn't climb out. But we can flip it open and look at our guy.
Yeah, but we can put this up in front of him.
Yeah, we'll put that up later. I think we can put that in here, probably on the wall, so he can stand on it.
Hey, There's a bird on me.
Seaweed.
Seaweed just loves me right now. Seaweed? Gonna stop the camera? Don't touch the camera? He doesn't want to look at the camera.
It's okay, he doesn't know.
He's looking at my piece. What?
Alright, so we took care of this bird for a while, and we think it's time that he can fly by himself now. Uh-oh, and Wyatt's throwing all of his food everywhere. But yeah, so we think the bird is ready to fly, and we're gonna let Vincent let it go. If it falls down and can't fly, we're gonna go pick it up and get it.
Yeah.
But he's been flying around the house like crazy, like he wants to go outside. So we're gonna see how this goes.
Yeah, I don't think he knows how to fly like up. I don't know.
Yeah, well, we'll see. And if he's ready to go, he's ready to go. And we did a good job with the birdie.
Yeah.
There's that bird.
There's a couple.
Oh, I was gonna say. Just let your hand out. Don't shake him or anything.
Oh.
There he goes. Someone's sleepy. Vincent! Yeah!
Wyatt.
Hey.
Wyatt. Where's that?
He likes it.
He doesn't hate it.
Oops. It's been a while.
Yeah, I am actually. Oh, you went past the unicycle.
Yeah,
I'm gonna let your brother play with your water bottle, okay?
The seat's not back there right now, Vince. Nice little spin.